Hello students, how are you? Dear students, in last video we discussed three functional group and they are common in IUPAC naming: aldehyde, alcohol and halide. Means X, single bond OH and single bond CHO. And now today we discuss to another functional group of carboxylic acid and ketone. So carboxylic acid, it's another types of functional group, and when they functional group added to hydrocarbon, especially they remove 1C and 3H of saturated hydrocarbon. It is a carbonyl group. So carbonyl groups, single bond C double OH or single bond C upper side double bond O and single bond OH. And the name suffix we use adding oic acid, and especially these types of functional group added to hydrocarbon. First they remove one carbon and three hydrogen atoms for saturated hydrocarbon. For example, the first member of saturated hydrocarbon in alkane family is methane. The chemical formula is CH4. So when this carboxylic acid is added to methane, first they remove one C and three H. So the main chemical formula is CH4. When remove one C, so now the new contain is H4. After that we remove three hydrogen atoms. So after that only one hydrogen atom are remaining. So this is the H, and after that adding single bond C double OH. So it's called H single bond C double OH. And adding in suffix, remove first ANE and adding OIC. It is a IUPAC naming. So the first chemical formula is HC OOH, and the name are called methane. So the spell METHANE, remove E and add OIC and acid means oic acid. So the name are called methanoic acid. Number two, suppose the second saturated hydrocarbon is C2H6. Now remove one C and 3H. So the new chemical formula is CH3 and adding C double OH. So the formula is CH3 C double OH, and name are called ethanoic acid. Why? Because in saturated hydrocarbon name is ethane, ETHANE. Remove E and add oic acid, OIC and acid. So its name are called ethanoic acid. This is the process to naming of IUPAC name. And next, ketone. So ketone, it's also a carbonyl group, and added this carbonyl group C, and the sign of this functional group is single bond CO single bond, or single bond C double bond upper side or lower side downside double bond O single bond. And this types of functional group when added to saturated hydrocarbon, same as usual, in both sides added two types of radical. So one, suppose R single bond CO single bond R dot. So R and R both are a radical, and this both types of radical when similar, when similar. So we use in common name both types of radical name, and after that ketone. For example, CS3CO CS3. So CS3 both radical is similar, means symmetrical radical, and ketone. So we use the name are dimethyl. CS3 is a methyl, so dimethyl ketone. In case CS3 COC2H5. So both types of radical are differ. So using alphabetical, that means CS3 is a methyl, the first letter is M, and C2H5 ethyl, the first letter is E. So we write according to alphabetical ethyl, after that methyl, after that ketone in general or common name. But in IUPAC, both types of radical carbon are count and also count the carbon in ketone group. So suppose the chemical formula CH3COCH3. So here total 3 carbon. So 3 carbon present in saturated hydrocarbon is called propane. Spell R P R O P A N E. And ketone, the suffix is ONE. So we remove E and add ONE. So the name are called propanone. Suppose CS3CO C2H5. So both types of radical are differ here, but we can not write the names according to alphabetical. We write the name according to the numbers of carbon here in IUPAC. So CS3CO C2H5, here the total numbers of carbon is 4 and total numbers of carbon 4 is present in alkane family is called butane. The spell are Butane. So this butane remove E and add ONE. So the new name is called butanone. Clear? So this is the two types of functional group, carboxylic acid and ketone. Carboxylic acid, general name, normally first we write radical and after that carboxylic acid, like that HCOOH, formic acid. Especially they depend to some types of sources, formic acid, butyric acid, uh, acetic acid. And IUPAC, we remove E in parent hydrocarbon and add oic acid. And ketones, the functional group single bond CO, single bond means two types of radical are attached. In common name, both types of radical if similar, to write first numbers and after that radical and after that ketone, like that CS3COOH dimethyl ketone. But in IUPAC, we numbers of carbon. First, we calculate or count the numbers of carbon, like that CH3, COCH3. So here the total numbers of carbon is 3, and the parent hydrocarbon, the total numbers of carbon 3 is present. The name are called propanone. So remove propanone E and add ONE. So the new name is called propanone. Okay. So this is the functional group, all 5 types of functional group in our this syllabus. And next video we discuss the homologous series. Okay, thank you.